Do you think airplane mode is only for airplanes? Think again. Airplane mode turns off your phone's wireless connections, like mobile data, calls, and text messages, to prevent interference with aircraft systems during a flight. But that's not all. You can also use airplane mode to charge your phone a little faster, avoid calls and notifications when you need to focus, or save battery when you don't need a network connection. And here's a useful tip. After turning on airplane mode, you can turn Wi-Fi back on if you still want to use the internet. Now you know airplane mode is useful even when you're not flying. Follow for more simple tech tips